Hair loss no more. Discover the best natural remedies. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about a problem that can greatly affect our appearance and confidence. We look at the causes of hair loss and share some natural remedies to help prevent it. Hair loss is a common concern for many people, but the good news is that there are simple and natural ways to prevent it. In this video, we'll explore the most common causes of hair loss and share some effective natural remedies to keep your locks healthy and strong. So, let's get started. Part 1. Causes of hair loss. Genetics. Hair loss can be inherited from your parents. This type of hair loss is known as androgenetic alopecia, and it is the most common cause of hair loss in both men and women. It occurs when the hormone dihydrotestosterone, DHT, affects hair follicles, causing them to shrink and eventually stop producing hair. This condition is more commonly known as male pattern baldness or female pattern hair loss, and it tends to run in families. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes can trigger hair loss in both men and women. During pregnancy, some women experience increased hair growth, but after giving birth, they may experience hair loss as their hormones return to normal levels. Menopause can also cause hormonal changes that can lead to hair loss. In addition, endocrine disorders such as thyroid disease and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can contribute to hair loss. Stress. Stress can cause hair loss by disrupting the hair growth cycle. When you experience stress, your body produces a hormone called cortisol, which can interfere with hair follicle growth and lead to hair loss. Stress-related hair loss is usually temporary, but chronic stress can cause more severe hair loss. Unbalanced diet. Nutritional deficiencies, such as a diet low in protein or iron, can contribute to hair loss. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, so if you're not getting enough protein in your diet, your hair may become weaker and more prone to breakage. Iron is also important for hair growth, as it helps to carry oxygen to the hair follicles. If you're not getting enough iron, your hair may become thin and brittle. Certain diseases and conditions. Certain diseases, such as lupus or alopecia areata, can cause hair loss. Alopecia areata is an autoimmune condition in which the immune system attacks hair follicles, causing hair to fall out in patches. Other conditions, such as scalp psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis, can also cause hair loss. Medications. Certain medications, such as those used to treat cancer, can cause hair loss. Chemotherapy drugs are notorious for causing hair loss, as they target rapidly dividing cells, including hair follicles. Other medications, such as blood thinners and antidepressants, can also cause hair loss. Excessive use of styling products. Excessive use of hair dryers, straightening irons, or styling products can cause hair loss by damaging the hair shaft. Heat styling tools can cause hair to become brittle and prone to breakage, while certain hair products can clog hair follicles and lead to hair loss. Fungal scalp infections. Fungal scalp infections, such as ringworm, can lead to hair loss. These infections can cause inflammation and damage to the hair follicles, leading to hair loss in affected areas. Age. As people age, their hair may start to thin and fall out. This is a natural part of the aging process, as hair follicles become smaller and produce thinner, weaker hairs. However, age-related hair loss can be accelerated by other factors, such as genetics or hormonal changes. Now that we've discussed the common causes of hair loss, let's look at some natural remedies that can help prevent it. Part 2. Natural remedies to prevent hair loss. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can help moisturize and protect the hair, thus preventing hair loss. Heat up the coconut oil and massage it into your scalp and hair, leaving it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off. Castor oil. Castor oil can help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. Massage castor oil onto your scalp and leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off. Nettle infusion. Nettle infusion can help prevent hair loss by improving blood circulation in the scalp and providing nutrients to the hair. Make an infusion from nettle leaves and apply it to your scalp, massaging it gently, then rinse it off. You can also use nettle in the form of shampoo to help maintain healthy hair. A nettle shampoo can help reduce hair loss and improve scalp health. You can use a nettle shampoo instead of your regular shampoo or alternate between them to benefit from its beneficial properties for hair and scalp. Egg and olive oil mask. Eggs contain proteins that can help strengthen the hair, while olive oil can moisturize the hair and scalp. Mix an egg with olive oil and apply it to wet hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes before washing it off. Rosemary infusion. Rosemary can help improve blood circulation in the scalp and stimulate hair growth. Make an infusion from rosemary leaves and apply it to your scalp, massaging it gently, then rinse it off. And that's a wrap for our natural remedies to prevent hair loss. These remedies are easy to use and can help improve the health of your hair. Dealing with hair loss can be frustrating, but with the right knowledge and natural remedies, you can prevent it and keep your hair looking healthy and beautiful. Remember, it's always important to consult with your doctor if you're experiencing excessive hair loss. By identifying the causes of hair loss and using natural remedies, you can maintain strong and healthy hair. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found our tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on healthy living. See you in the next video.